My name is Björn Karlsson. I work for the Ministry of Infrastructure in Iceland, and we are in charge of work package 4, which is emission-free construction sites. It's important to try to curb emissions at construction sites. There's all kinds. There's of course all the earth and everything you have to remove, but it's all the machinery, diesel-driven and so on. We can carry on. But it is very important that we try to curb this, and that has been our work in this work package. Well, we've found that there are really two key factors. Firstly, we don't know enough. We don't have enough reliable data on where the major emissions come from on the construction site. We need more detailed data so that we can recommend further action. It's one of the limitations we found. And the second key factor is that most of the work to hinder emission must actually be done in the design and planning phase of every construction project. So it's no good to try to start doing that once you've started construction. Usually one would say that perhaps the design phase takes about 3 or 4% of the funding of a project. I think we will have to get used to the fact that this phase, the design and planning phase, has to be expanded. We have to spend more time on the design and planning phase so that we can plan all the logistics to do with removal of waste and diminishing waste, thinking about the materials that we're using, thinking about the energy sources we use for diggers and machinery and so on. So we need to expand the design and planning phase and put more time in there to take account of lowering emissions on construction sites.